Hey you guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Now I want to start off this video by saying that, guys, we are almost at 1K. I am so excited. I will be doing a giveaway when I reach 1K. So please be on the lookout for that. If you're not already, subscribe because we're gonna have a really good giveaway in the near future. I am so excited that my channel is growing. So today I am coming to you guys with my Dollar General 5 off 25 scenario. Yes, I know it is a little later in the day, but today was wash day for me, and wash day is a whole day, literally wash day. I need the whole day for my hair, but I still wanted to get out and do some of these deals. So with my haul, I did go over the $25 threshold, but I was still pretty happy with the overall out of pocket. I saved a total of $21, you guys. Yes, $21. Super excited. Now, before I get into this deal, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because remember I said that we are on the way to 1K, and you don't want to miss out on these just goodies that I have in store for you guys, because I am just so happy that you guys really rock with me. So let's get into the deals, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So first, I'm gonna get into the Tide Simply Pods. They are $2.95, and that glitch is still happening where the $2 regular, the red bottles of Tide is attaching. That digital coupon is attaching, making these just 95 cents. Then I picked up 2 packs of the big pens. These are $1.50 at the store, and there is a $2 off of 2 coupon, making both of these $1 or just 50 cents each. So I picked up a pack of black and a pack of blue. Now I'm going to get these out of the way. Then I picked up the Snuggle in the All. This week is on sale, 2 for $8. And there is a $4 off of 2. So making them $2 each, or 2 for $4. I picked up one of the dollar Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. This can be found on the dollar aisle. It's $1, and I use a 50-cent off Lysol coupon, making it just 50 cents. I picked up the CoverGirl eyebrow pencil, which is $4, and there is a $3 off coupon, making it just $1. And this is a really good filler item anytime you're doing a 5 off 25. Next, I picked up a 2-pack of the Glade candles. These smell really good. They are $5 and there is a $1.50 off coupon for the Glade, making it just $3.50. And then last but not least, I picked up this Jergens body wash. I think this is a new product. Yeah, this is a new product, and this smells good too. It smells really good. It is $6, and there is a $3 off coupon, making it just $3. Now, this whole haul was digital, might I add. So very beginner friendly. Anybody can do it. You just need the app and to click the same coupons. Now, before tax, this whole haul was $29.95. After all of the digitals came off, including my 5 off 25, it knocked it all the way down to just $8.95. Yes, $8.95 for 9 items. That is a really good deal. Like I said, I am really happy, and now I'm just going to show you guys my receipt. So yeah, you guys, this is everything. I'm pretty much showing you everything that I just went over. Just giving you a visual. Now, like I said, I did go way over the $25 threshold. I spent almost $5 more than needed, but I mean, only spending $8.95. I am not complaining whatsoever. This was a really, really good deal, especially, like I said, I saved $21. Like, phenomenal. So now I'm gonna move down and just show you right here. See, I paid $8.95 before tax, and then $10.70, that's including tax. I saved a total of $21. $8.95 for 9 items. That makes everything less than $1 each, which I'm extremely happy about. Oh, let me just focus in real quick. Okay, so yeah, you guys, this is my haul. If you like what you see, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and share. I know my friends on the West Coast, it's still a decent time. You guys still have time to go shop. So share this video. Maybe you know someone that may need to go get some of these items. This is like an all-around haul. But yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Tomorrow is Sunday, which means we are beginning a new week. And I love Sundays because we get new inserts, new digital coupons, new paper coupons. Sundays are just really, I just really like Sundays. So be on the lookout for tomorrow because I will be doing my Walgreens haul tomorrow. And that's all I have in this video. I love you guys so much. Until the next time, bye.